Hello Internet, welcome to Making Money. This is your Daily Dollar, our financial segment where I give you one lesson every day to help with your finances. It's late again. It's been a long week, it's been a long day. My setup here is pretty much done. You might get a bit of an echo in this room, we still have to take care of that. I do apologize. But, nonetheless, you're going to get your lesson today. And your lesson is kind of out of order. So the last couple days I've been talking about KPIs, treating, identifying your customers and making sure that you're supplying them with value. There's an overall arcing lesson here to be learned that I think we probably should have brought up before I started talking about these. But when it comes to your personal finance, you should treat your personal finances like a business. Now, this might be difficult for some people to wrap their head around because they are not used to running a business. They are not, out there, building a company right now. But the more ways that you can take your personal finances and think about it like you're actually running a company, the better you'll actually be when it comes to setting up your goals, managing your costs and your expenses, managing your income. Even when we talked about before how you can, divide up your assets among different accounts, different sections. Basically what I'm saying is when you focus on your personal finance, try to think of it that you're not only affecting yourself, you're affecting more than yourself, right? All the people that, you buy things from, stuff down to like your mortgage, debts that you have. So, the banks or your borrowers, you want to really look at your finances of how they affect other people. And we talked about this a little bit when it came to customers. But it goes even deeper than that. Vendors, people that supply you, again, customers who you supply, the people who work within your company, the members of your household, anybody that works with your current expenses or your current income. And then you have, projects that you're doing, you're doing investments, you have multiple streams of income. You'll find that treating your personal finances like a more corporate style will cause you to be a little bit more cautious when it comes to making purchases, which is one thing that, we're trying to save money. This isn't to say you can't make purchases. Obviously, businesses make purchases all the time, but those purchases normally are to help the business. And yeah, you can have extraneous circumstances. Yeah, you can have entertainment budgets and stuff like that. Companies have entertainment budgets. But the point of a company is to make money. And if you're treating your finances like a company, this will allow you to make money. Kind of a methodology here, kind of a thinky way of solving this problem. But give it a shot. See if this works for you. Again, we've been talking about KPIs, we've talked about customers. You may not be as familiar with how businesses operate, but we're going to go over a lot of lessons on how you can start thinking about your finances as a business, and it can make a big impact on how you save money, make money, all that fun stuff. So, hope you guys like this lesson. It's kind of a cool one. I'm a big fan of this myself. I'm interested, have you ever thought about treating your personal finances like a business before? What's your opinion on it? I'd like to hear in the comments below. And always, you can hit me up, link in the description on Twitter. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for another lesson. Have a great night. All right, see ya.